With progressive local changes in precipitation as well as global sea level rise, freshwater systems as well as their impact on human health are compromised as a consequence of climate change. Lake Taihu, near Wuxi, Jiansu, China, has recently experienced an extreme algal bloom that led to the existence of microcystis toxins in the water in May 2007. With this occurrence, the people that relied on lake water and wells for drinking water were mandated to only drink bottled water for at least a week. In these lakes, it is typical for more intense blooms and eutrophication to occur with the presence of the warming climate, as well as increased runoff, such as from the nearby Yangtze River during monsoon rains. This runoff from the Yangtze River, which is experiencing a small increase of annual runoff, contributes to a greater input of fecal coliforms, heavy metals, and pathogens into the water of Lake Taihu, thus impacting water quality of the groundwater that people of Wuxi, Jiangsu rely on. The influx of nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus from runoff also promotes eutrophication of bacteria and algae. As the turbidity of drinking water increases, illness becomes more common. For example, during blooms and increased periods of runoff, gastrointestinal illness of elderly people increased by about 10%. Though most reported impacts of water quality are negative, an increased amount of precipitation from frequent storms or hurricanes has the ability to essentially flush out these nutrients from lakes or estuaries. In addition to impact on groundwater health in terms of climate change, some non-climatic drivers could include land use or economic growth. In order to combat harmful nutrient influx in the Taihu Lake, it may be essential to limit urbanization as well as using hydrological models to determine specific triggers that induce blooms and eutrophication in Taihu Lake.